The Capstan equation describes the relationship between the friction force of a rope wrapped around a cylinder and the contact angle. The Capstan equation on the screen predicts an increase in friction with each wrap around the winch. Our design of this capstan incorporates the principle of exponential friction increase using a hanging object to generate tension in a rope. A capstan well is our term used to describe this exhibit because it acts similarly to a water well and demonstrates the capstan equation. To use our exhibit, make sure the bucket has reached its lowest point with 0 wraps around the winch. Slowly start to add wraps around the winch while pulling the rope up to prevent it from crossing over itself. Pull on the rope to lift up the bucket so that there is 100% tension on the winch and pulleys. Continue to wrap the rope around the winch until the bucket becomes stationary. Then determine how many wraps of the rope it took for the winch to hold the bucket. As you can see here in the demonstration, it took me 5 wraps around the winch to slow the bucket, but 6 wraps to completely stop the bucket. Overall, this game does an excellent job at teaching children fine motor skills and relationships with friction while also being able to play with the winch.